Good morning. This is beginning clothing construction 10, and the students are constructing a t-shirt. So I've cut the t-shirt out already and I've marked it, okay? So you have to sew an inch underneath the t-shirt. So you can't sew on the edge of the t-shirt. It has to be 1 inch. So you're gonna take your ruler and you're gonna see 1 inch here. So then you're gonna draw the line with a marker or chalk so that you'll have your line, okay? What you do on this side, you do on the other side. I've already done my practice to make sure that my bobbin is incorrect and the top thread is incorrect, okay? So I'm gonna sew the top, put the needle down, then take your presser foot down, go forward, go backwards, go forward. That reinforces the stitch. When you get to the edge, you're going to back stitch as well on the same line, okay? We have a little cut tie here, and then you'll see the seam. There's the back stitch on both sides, okay? And you see the thread is not bunchy, or it doesn't look like a lot of hair is formed up. That way you know your sewing machine is working. Now this one is a curve, so when you did the circle and you did the maze, you did a curve. So you have to do the curve at the edge. Forward, always back stitch, forward, slow it down so that you can do the curve. Stay on the line that you drew. Make sure these two pieces are together. So there are two pieces of bread that are sandwiched together, and the edges must be together. You're going to have to rip it loose and do it again. We're at the end. We back stitch really good so that the t-shirt doesn't come loose. Okay, my students that are talking, we are filming. So quiet, please. All right, now look at the back. You'll see the stitch is perfect around the edge as well. So what you do on one side, you do on the other side. All right, now what we're going to do is hem the sleeve. So you're going to, at the top, remember you did the double fold? So we're gonna double fold the top only, so that I'll know you know how to do the seams. And you don't have to back stitch. See, did it go in there? Okay. Because we're just doing the seams. And when you double fold to hem the sleeve, that will reinforce the seam. So we're doing 1/4 of an inch so that our seam finish is good. We're only gonna do it at the shoulder, okay? So we're only going to do the double seam at the shoulder. We've completed one side, as you see, and now we're gonna do the other side, seam finish, okay? You can tell this is a salvage, so you can cut the salvage off if you want, or you can just incorporate it on the inside of your t-shirt. We're doing that. This one actually is an 1/8 of an inch. It's not a 4. So double fold it over so that the salvage does not show. The salvage is that part that sticks out, that phrase. Okay. I'm gonna put all of our threads over there. Now, you see that the top of the t-shirt, go to the inside, and then the students are gonna press this seam open, okay? So that's a seam finish for the top. You're gonna do it at the top. You're gonna sew these at the top of both sides, not on the narrow edge. And now I'm going to hem it. So you're gonna open the seam here, okay? Double fold it, and then sew on the edge. So we can take our auxiliary bed or our storage unit off so that we can get in here really good. And I'm gonna do 1/4 of an inch. So fold as you go. That's that double fold, not a single fold, and sew on the edge. So all the seams that you have done, you're gonna apply them. Now when you get to the top of the t-shirt, which is the shoulder, make sure that seam is open when you sew it. And you do have to turn it as you're sewing it. Stay along the edge. And then we're almost finished with this side. What you do for one side, you do for the other side. And you don't have to backstitch when you get on top. Just sew it straight over. Make sure you cut all the threads off. Put them in a corner and you can get rid of them later. So see how the top is finished? That's the shoulder. And then you did your 1/4 seam allowance all the way over. So this is the shoulder of the t-shirt. Okay, and this is the sleeve. And so what you do for one side, you do for the other side, and also the bottom. When you get ready to hem the bottom, use the same 1/4 or 1/8 or 1/2. Leave this seam open like this and double fold it. And sew it all the way around, okay? I'm not gonna sew the other side, because what you do for one, you do for the other. So this is the t-shirt, the mini t-shirt, so the students will know how to sew the t-shirt, and then when they sew the larger one to fit themselves, they would have worked out all the kinks. So I'm Professor Ratcliffe, and this is Beginning Sewing Construction 10. Thank you.